Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unblock a phone number on Truecaller app using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Truecaller app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on the profile at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on privacy or blocking. Here you will see a list of all the numbers and contacts you have blocked. Find the number you want to unblock. Next to the number, tap on unblock or the remove icon. Truecaller may ask you to confirm the action. Tap yes or unblock to confirm. Once confirmed, the number is unblocked and you will start receiving calls and messages from that number again. And that's it. That's how you unblock a number on Truecaller using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.